Okay, so this didn't work. I'm going to go ahead and cancel that. I'm going to repeat that because I'm not sure it was clear how I got the arrows to invert if you weren't paying attention there, or it happened too fast. When you do your multi-section, you can click this one and click this one. Because I created them the same way, the arrows go the same direction. But if I were to click the arrow and invert it, it would reverse the direction where the start point is. So when I click this arrow, the start point is here and going in this direction counterclockwise. If I click on this arrow, it is now going clockwise. Whereas the section it's trying to meet to is going counterclockwise. Had I inverted both of them, I would now have the same results when I hit preview. Okay? And again, when I go to more, I go to vertices, not going to work. So I do have to go back to ratio. Now that I showed you how nice vertices is, now I got to show you why you need to know ratio. Vertices doesn't always work, so sometimes you manually got to go do what you were taught earlier. Alright, so that is module number 6. Let's start a new one. Going into generative shape design. Sorry, I'm going to stick with generative wireframe because this is for my 193 intermediate class. Let's slide this over a bit. Are we doing that? Okay. Oh no. Did I? Alright. I'm going to pause the video for a sec. Alright, for my next trick, I want you to create this many arcs, put them on each plane. So you got to create a bunch of planes. The planes are all 2.5 inches apart. Ugh. Did I do 5? Oh, no, it's from the original. Anyways, all these planes are 2.5 inches apart. And then I put arcs on each plane. So each one is its own sketch. You can see in the tree I have 6 different sketches. 6 different planes to go with those sketches. Okay, again, you create a plane. Create all your planes 2.5 inches apart. Okay, it's very simple. You simply go to the plane command, select a plane, type in 2.5 inches, say OK, and that will be 2.5 inches from the other one. Okay, and then you use that plane to create a sketch. And I don't really care what size arcs you use. Okay, doesn't matter on that end. Just go ahead and I would recommend constraining them so you can modify them to whatever size you want. So you should know how to do that by now. And you should know how to build an arc on a plane, sketch arc, okay? You just simply hit the arc command, the center of the arc, I just use the center of the axis. Click a start point, all circles are created counterclockwise. Click an end point, and there you have it, okay? I'm not going to do that one though. I could, but I don't want it. So create these planes and these arcs. I'll get rid of this one. I don't want this one, okay? I think you'll get the concept here. The idea here is using multi-section for multi-cross sections versus all the previous ones I really only had the 2 cross sections. So Let's try multi-section with multiple cross sections and see how you do. And then you can compare it to what I did in my video. So I assume you know how to create your planes and arcs. I'll let you do that and create your surface, and then come check out the next video for the next lesson.